Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove screen lock pattern and set no password for our phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you would like to remove current pattern or any other password, and if you would like to set no password, as you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, and here click on screen lock type and draw your current pattern for authentication and confirmation. Okay, first it will ask your current pattern. Okay, without giving current pattern you cannot remove pattern. Okay, because other person may also do it. Okay, so only known person can do it. This is for security purpose. Okay, and then now click on swipe. Okay, that is no security, and now a pattern is removed completely. And now if you lock your phone, phone will not lock. Okay, with a single swipe you can go into the mobile screen. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove screen lock pattern in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.